Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel. Today, we have a very special device to show you, the Huawei Mate X5, the newest foldable smartphone from the Chinese giant Huawei. This is the successor to the Mate X3, which was launched earlier this year, and it comes with some improvements and upgrades. Let's take a closer look at this amazing device and see what it has to offer. But before that guys, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. Let's start with its design. Basically, it is identical to its predecessor, the Huawei Mate X3. It has same dimension, same weight and thickness, which is one of the slimmest foldable phone in the market. And I have a separate review of that phone. If you're interested, I'll put that in the description below. The main display of the Mate X5 is 7.85-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2224 by 2496 pixel and a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. The cover display is a 6.4-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2504 by 1080 pixel, and both screens is LTPO, has adaptive refresh rate from 1Hz up to 120Hz. Both displays supports up to 300Hz touch sampling rate, P3 wide color gamut, 1440Hz PWM dimming, and Kunlun glass protection 2nd generation on the outer display. One of the major upgrades of this phone is the CPU. It is now powered by the Kirin 9000S, a 5G capable chipset, which is one of the most advanced chipset manufactured by Huawei. The Kirin 9000S is a 7nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.62 GHz, paired with the Mali G910 GPU and supports hyper-threading technology, which means it can run up to 12 threads simultaneously. The Mate X5 comes with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage, which can be expanded via nano memory card slot. The Mate X5 has a triple camera setup at the back, which can also be used as a selfie camera when the phone is folded. The main camera is a 50MP sensor with f1.8 aperture and OIS support, a 12MP periscope telephoto lens with f3.4 aperture with OIS as well and capable of 5x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultra-wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The camera system supports up to 50x digital zoom, LED flash, HDR, panorama, and 4K video recording at 30 or 60 frames per second. The selfie camera has both 8MP with f2.4 aperture for inside and outer screens that supports up to 4K recording 30 FPS as well. Moving on to the battery, the Huawei Mate X5 has a silicon carbon battery with a capacity of 5060 mAh, which is slightly larger than the Huawei Mate X3's battery of 4800 mAh. The phone supports fast charging up to 66 watts via USB-C port, wireless charging of up to 50 watts, and reverse wireless charging of up to 7.5 watts. The phone also has a dual SIM support, NFC, infrared, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. The most unique features of this phone, it supports satellite communication similar to Huawei Mate 60 Pro. This means that the phone can send and receive text messages and voice calls using satellites instead of relying on cellular network. This can be useful in areas where there is no or poor network coverage or in emergency situation. The Mate X5 runs on Harmony OS 4.0 in China and EMUI for global market. This phone is available with 5 different colors. It has feather white, black, gold, phantom purple, and green mountain dye. The Mate X5 is a beast phone, and it offers everything you could ask for in a foldable flagship device. It has a gorgeous, large, and durable display with most advanced and powerful processor, 5G capable, a massive memory and storage capacity, an amazing camera system for a foldable device, a long-lasting battery, and a sleek design which is most slimmest and lightest foldable phone in the market. Alright guys, that's it for today's quick review of the new Huawei Mate X5, the latest foldable smartphone from Huawei that offers some impressive specs and features. What do you think of this device? Would you buy it if it was available in your region? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.